up guys, Carey with DrillFit Training, and I am going to show y'all plyo squats for the glutes, hamstrings, and inner thighs or adductors. We want to start with the dumbbell directly between our feet. Our feet are pretty wide for this exercise, so we're not completely sumo, but we're definitely outside the shoulders, and also point your toes out pretty wide as well. Whenever we start to come down into this movement, we have a couple of main goals that we want to focus on. So that's from the hips up. We're going to keep very, very straight up and down. So I'm setting my hips back, but I'm keeping my chest really high as well. And then we're also, as we come down, pushing the knees out as much as we can. And then to come back up, we're going to squeeze the glutes and push back through the floor. So knees out, and then push up through the floor. We're keeping all the weight in our heels on this exercise. And again, chest is up super high. There's not a normal hip hinge on this squat. Very, very straight up and down. It is a very slow, controlled movement with a lot of concentration. This is an excellent exercise for the glutes, for the hamstrings, opening the hips up. Definitely go ahead and add this in on your next glute and hamstring day.